Hey guys, today we got a cab high Rebel model by SnugTop. It's a 10 to 18 Ram 8-foot bed dually model. More than likely the 19 through 25 Ram 8-foot bed and the dually bed though. This one's in really good shape. Only some minor issues on this one. PS2 Silver is the color. Paint looks good through here. It does have the roof tracks on it. A little bit of a scuff mark right through there. It's down through here. Now, I'm sure this would fit on an 8-foot bed, just a regular 8-foot non-dually as well. A couple chips on here, but it's made specifically for the dually bed. Couple minor chips on the bottom edge right there. A couple back there, didn't see those right there. Couple little chips right there on the edge. And got a couple more right there. And one right there. Half side sliding windows on the side. So the bottom edge of this is flared out to accept the dually bed sides. Like I said, it probably would fit the regular 8-foot bed. If you didn't mind at the edge of that, it's going to flare out there at the bottom. Let's have paint chip there, a couple scratches right there. Top looks really nice, no issues. Got a scratch on this side. Down through here looks pretty good. Bottom edge looks good through here. It does have a sliding window in the front. This window slides open, allows access into the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Slides back shut, seals it back up. On this side, got a couple minor chips there on the edge and right there in the front corner. A couple minor scratches right there. On this top and top edge, you got just some scratches, probably from whatever, if they use the racks or not really sure. They're not even, most of these are probably buff out. Yeah, I mean, more than likely all these would buff out through here. They're just scuffs more than anything. Bottom edge is a couple chips there. A couple chips right there. And we got a couple chips on the edge. Right through there. Don't look too bad there. A couple on the edge. Half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door, frameless rear door. A couple little like speckle pocks or whatever you want to call them in the paint down here, but nothing real major. A little bit of scratch right there. Got one right here too, almost the same spot as the other side, so I'm not really sure what happened there. Inside is carpeted. Does have the pet screens on the side. Looks like the screens are pretty good. Does have fishing rod holder and only half of it. It doesn't even look like the other half was ever installed because there should be able to notice that it was there, so I'm not sure why, but there's a fishing rod holder there. It looks like they only put half of it in. This window is a sliding window. It also is removable. It has a latch there and one on this side that you flip down. Allows us to open up so that you can wash the front of this window, and then the back of the truck cab. You can flip back up like so, latch down, and then seal that back up again. This side has the pet screens in it also. Nice thing about the pet screens, if you get any animals, dogs or anything like that, don't have to worry about them either tearing through your screens or jumping through your screens if there's another dog they want to go see. Serial number, it's right there. Looks like that's the fuse box right there, I believe. Does have a dome light in it. Probably works, so we don't check any of the 12 volt stuff on these. So it's a really nice cap. So there it is. It's a Cab High Rebel series. It's the 2010 to 2018 Ram 3500 with the 8-foot dually bed, and more than likely the 2019 through 2025 Ram dualies with the dually bed as well. It's made specifically for the dually bed, although it would probably work on an 8-footer if you wanted to, if you didn't mind the fact that it flares out in the middle there for the dually fenders. PS2 Silver is the color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us off our website as well. Just go to our website, type in the what you're looking for, and we'll get it taken care of and get it shipped out to you. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, model, brand, color, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.